Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Telegram on your Windows operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can install Telegram. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Telegram, and the first link which will appear here will be from telegram.org. So we are going to just click on this link. And straight away when you scroll down on this telegram.org website, you will be able to see Telegram for Android, Telegram for iPhone, and when you scroll down more you will be able to see Telegram for PC, Mac, Linux. So we are going to just select this option which says Telegram for PC, Mac, Linux. And then once you click on this link you will be able to see this Telegram desktop, and then you will be able to see this button which says Get Telegram for Windows. So I'm going to just click on Get Telegram for Windows button, which is going to download this setup file, and the version at the time of making this video is 2.3.1, so I'm going to just wait for the download to complete. So once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this file. And I'm going to just minimize this browser in this file explorer, and now you can see this first window where you can select the language in which you want to install Telegram. By default it's English. You can choose out of these languages. I'm going to leave it as English. Mobile number. And then I'm going to just give the code which was sent on my Telegram app on my Android phone, and here you go, the Telegram app has been successfully started on my Windows operating system, and now I can use Telegram app on my Windows operating system. So this is how you can download and install and use Telegram on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next.